Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting DevC++ and its min.gw compiler installed so the toolchain works immediately. Once installed, open DevC++ and create a new console project, pick C as the language, and save the main file with a C extension. Make sure the project folder is simple, no spaces or special characters, so include path stay clean. Then add a new source file if needed, and set the active file. These steps let the IDE recognize and compile C code right away. Now write your C code using proper headers and a main function. Use clear variable names and simple return values to test flow. When ready, compile with the compile command or Control plus F9. If errors appear, read the error panel, click a message to jump to the line, and fix syntax or missing headers. Make sure compiler options target C99 or later, and that includes /library paths match min.gw. Once compilation succeeds, an executable is produced in the project folder. Finally, run your program using Run or Control plus F10 and observe the console output. Make incremental changes and recompile as you test. Save both the C file and the project file so settings persist, and copy the generated exe from the project directory if you need to share it. If something goes wrong, launch debug mode, set breakpoints, and step through code to inspect variables. One key troubleshooting tip: if the compiler cannot be found, re-verify min.gw path in Tools, right arrow compile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.